Part of my job is a desk job. When I'm doing my designs, I am at my drafting table and then I have to write an estimate. But when the client says yes, it's my ticket to freedom. And then I go get to play outside with rocks and plants and create what I put on paper. I love being outside. You feel good outside. It just makes everything calm down. It brings you back to your reset state, and I need it. I think everybody needs it. There are so many patterns in nature. I think so many artists get their patterns from a leaf, from a branch, from a silhouette of a tree. And I think just mimicking that, the design's already done. It's already been created. I think I get inspiration from being in the woods as well. Like, you just see a boulder and then you see a swath of ferns, and a lot of times in my designs I'll pull that element into the design just to mimic nature, because nature knows best. So that's what I'm trying to do for people in their backyards. Bring them from inside to outside.
Thank you so much.
Good luck with everything.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.